guys, Sydney here, and I am in my shop today in Boise, Idaho, and I have a Volvo XC60 in the shop for an interior detail. So I wanted to show you guys real quick my favorite product and process for doing interior details. So it is Xpress Interior Cleaner, and I'm going to be using a scrub mitt, a microfiber towel, and my steamer with it. And so this leather is a two-tone leather. It's not super dirty, but it's got some ground in dirt. And body oils and things like that. So that's what's nice about Xpress Interiors. You can use it on leather, vinyl, carpet, any surface in the car that you need to clean that you know that you can do safely but yet very effectively. So I am going to get started here and I'll be right back. Here with our Xpress Interior Cleaner, and so I'm just going to start and spray the seat down with the Xpress. And then I'm going to be using a scrub mitt that the fibers are very similar to a VLB brush, but they're quite a bit longer and they just have extra scrubbing power. So I love this mitt, especially with this product. It kind of gets it nice and sudsy and starts working into all those holes. It does a great job at pulling out the body oils, sunscreen, makeup, the gene transfer. It works very good on. So I just scrub the surface down really good, get in all the little cracks, and then I grab my steamer and a dry microfiber towel. All right, and that just helps finish the cleaning, and then it helps sanitize the surface as well and break down any of the Xpress that remains. So the other great thing about Xpress is it will dry to just a natural finish. So it doesn't leave anything behind. It just leaves a very clean, smooth surface. So you don't even have to put protection on, but then if you want to, you are completely ready to at this point, which is so great. So as you guys can see, it just leaves a very nice, clean, smooth surface. So next, I'm going to show you a door panel. All right, so we are back with a very dirty door panel. I don't know if you guys can see all this dirt from kicking the door, probably food, whatnot, sunscreen. So we've got a lot going on here. So I want to show you how fast it is to clean the door panels. And so this process I use on the dashboard, all the center consoles. I just work my way around the vehicle and it makes it so fast. So again, we are just going to spray that down, and then using the scrub pit pad again, you'll see that on the black you can really tell how this makes a nice lather. And it makes it easy to conform to all the curves. Scrub all that. And this is one of my favorite things, is you can get down inside these door handles and the mat pockets really well and get those nice and scrubbed out, and you don't have to grab additional tools, which again just saves time. Okay, make sure to get this, whatever that was. All right, and then grab the steamer. Get the door handle sanitized. All right, and the cool thing is these come out perfect the first time, every time. Which again, time is money, so I like stuff that helps me go faster. And as you can see, the door is already drying. So within a couple minutes, this is gonna be completely dry and ready for your dressing. So I'm gonna get finished on the rest of this car, but I hope that helped you guys out, and I hope you enjoy the Xpress Interior.